we just finished doing the curveball challenge and she the video.
I was an accident. I was trying to edit it and then that was an accident.
So we got some more rock slime. So we just ordered one this time because like this is gonna be a very short video. As you can tell.
So it works good. Go check them out. I ordered a green fluffy slime. And you?
And I ordered a pink bubblegum.
This is called a grassy slime. Grassy fluffy slime.
So this is turning out the best slime, best package ever. It's very cool.
Well, best package ever because you can see from the title. If you look from the title. Ooh, I like it.
Oh my god. Here's how you make it spark. Oh bro, you doing crunch?
But, only because you didn't do the thing. I like to poke it. Go check out our future video of Target.
How do you make this crunchy?
By doing the thing. Sorry for the background noise. The TV is on and my dad's there. It's a little bit stretchy. Oh, it's stretching a lot! Oh no, I stopped.
If yours doesn't stick to the table, like mine, you get a little piece, you stretch it out. Or you could just hold this until it goes so long.
It's pretty looking. Stop! No. Bro. No. Papi. Papi! No. You text Dennis just because I have his phone, but we're not using it for the camera.
We were just like checking out we were editing some videos.
Yeah. And that's when I deleted it.
Yes, for some reason. Because we edited his phone.
For some reason our phone doesn't work for editing. We also just came back from church.
Slime workout.
Oh, go check out slime workout from Rebecca.
Rebecca something.
Yeah.
Go check out her video. Poop in the bag.
Oh, that's funny. She used to have poop in the bag.
She used to have a stoma, so I felt so bad.
And she ran a marathon in Hollywood. We're on chairs in the kitchen. Okay. So, there. That's our video. It hasn't even been a minute. These are minutes. Yep.
Yeah, it has been 3 minutes. 4.
No, these are minutes now.
Those are hours.
Oh. Well, it's been 4 minutes, so bye, guys. Our camera for some reason shows minutes or something. I don't know if other cameras show minutes, but this one does. But it's been 4 minutes, and that's 4 minutes. It's a little bit. Bye, guys. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe and pop these bubbles above us. Pop, 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 pop. Bye. Peace. Ah, how do you turn off this thing?